Hey, do you want to learn English with a real family?
Listen carefully and learn English from our daily.
It's easy, fun, and natural.
Let's start. Let's learn English. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mike.
Good morning, Mom and Dad. Good morning.
How are you today?
I am happy. I am happy too.
Breakfast is ready. Thank you, Robin.
I like eggs. I like milk.
Milk is good for you.
Are you hungry, Bark?
Yes, I am hungry. I am not very hungry.
Eat slowly, please. Good job, Bark.
Sara, get your bag.
Okay, Mom.
Bark, put on your shoes.
Okay, Dad.
Are you ready?
Yes, ready. It is sunny today.
Yes, it is a nice day. Let's go to the park.
Park! I like the park. Me too.
Very good, Sarah. Be careful, Bark.
Okay, Mom.
Are you tired?
A little tired.
Let's sit here.
I am not tired.
You have a lot of energy.
We need apples.
And bread.
I like apples. I like bananas.
Okay, let's buy bananas too.
Dinner is ready. Please sit down.
The food smells good. I am very hungry.
Let's eat together.
Time for bed.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.
Sleep well.
Sweet dreams. Good night. Night.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning. Morning.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
Bark, wash your hands.
Okay, Mom.
Hey, what do you want for breakfast?
I want bread and eggs. I want milk.
Good choices. Is the food good?
Yes, it is very good.
Eat slowly, that's all.
Eat slowly. Like eggs.
Dinner. Today is Saturday.
We are free today.
Can we go out?
Yes, we can.
The weather is nice.
It is warm and sunny.
I like sunny days.
Me too.
This park is beautiful. Look at the trees. Ah, I see birds.
They are very cute.
I am lucky. I am running. I am walking.
Good exercise.
Yeah?
Yes, very healthy. Do you like this park?
Yes, I love it. I love it too. I am tired. Let's sit down.
Drink some water.
Thank you. Can I have patty?
Yes, one.
Me too, please.
Okay.
It is cold.
It is sweet.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do.
It is time to go home.
Okay. I had fun.
Me too. How was your day?
It was great.
Very fun.
I am happy.
Let's rest a little.
I want to read. I want to play.
That sounds good.
This book is nice.
What is it about?
It is about animals. Look at my toy.
That is a nice toy. Be careful, Bark.
Okay.
Who wants fruit?
I do. Me too. Fruit is healthy.
What fruit do you like?
I like apples. I like bananas. Let's water the plants. I can help. Me too.
Thank you. Plants need water.
And sunlight.
Very good.
It is getting dark.
Evening is here.
I feel sleepy, not me.
Brush your teeth.
I am brushing. Me too.
Put on your pajamas.
Okay, Dad. I am ready. Today was a good day.
Yes, it was. We spent time together.
Can we go to the park again?
Yes, we can.
Maybe tomorrow.
I feel happy.
That makes me happy too. Family time is special.
I will tell a story. I like stories.
Me too.
Close your eyes. Good night.
Night. Sleep well.
Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom and Dad.
Night.
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Dad.
Did you sleep well, Bark?
Yes, I slept.
Today is a sunny day.
Can we play outside?
What would you like to eat?
Toast, please. Cereal.
Don't forget fruit.
Okay, Mom.
How is the toast?
Very good.
Bark, eat slowly.
I am eating fast.
Careful, don't spill. What do you want to do today?
Can we go to the library? No! I want the park!
Let's go to the library first, then the park.
Look at all the books.
Wow, so many books! I want to read comics!
You can choose one comic.
Sara, what is this? A book about animals.
Oh,
Bark, what is this?
a comic about superheroes! Unleash us! Can I borrow this book?
Yes, you can.
That's grateful. Bark, you can borrow your comic too.
Yay! Thank you!
Shh, we are in the library.
Sorry, Dad. Okay, quiet.
Let's sit and read.
Today is fun. I like the comic.
Did you learn new words?
Yes, many words.
Zing, let's play on the swings.
I want to swing high. I run to the slide.
Be careful, everyone. Run, Bark, run.
I am running fast.
Jump, Sara, jump! Very good!
How do you feel, Sara?
I feel happy. I feel excited. We are happy too.
Time to play. We need apples and milk and bread.
Can I pick oranges? I want banana.
How many apples do we need?
3 apples. I want 2 bananas.
Okay, let's buy them.
Wash your hands first. Okay, Mom.
I washed mine.
Good job, Bark. What is your favorite fruit?
Apples. Bananas! Very good choices.
Let's water the flowers.
I will water this plant.
Me too.
Plants love water. Flowers need sun and water. I understand.
And love.
Yes, love too.
Let's read a book together.
I want the comic.
Okay, we can read both.
What is this word?
That is elephant.
And this?
That is lion.
Let's play with toys.
I want to play too. Share the toys, please. Yeah. Let's make a sandwich.
I put the cheese. I put the ham.
Very good teamwork. How is the sandwich?
Delicious.
You did a great job!
Let's listen to music.
I like this song.
Dance, dance!
Very good, Bark. What color is this ball? Red?
Blue. Both colors are nice.
Let's take a walk.
Look at the sky. I see stars.
How do you feel now?
Calm. Happy. We are happy too.
Time to change into pajamas.
Okay, Mom. I am ready.
Good job.
Let's read a bedtime story.
I love stories.
Me too.
I will help you read. Sleep well, everyone.
Good night, Dad. Sweet dreams.
If you enjoyed learning English with us, like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Watch again and practice speaking with us. See you next time. Bye-bye.